This is the 2027 Lexus NX, and it's facing a massive challenge. The luxury compact SUV segment is a literal war zone. You've got the Germans, the Koreans, and even the Americans bringing their A-game. But Lexus, they didn't just bring a knife to a gunfight. They brought a laser-guided katana. Today, we're going deep. Interior, performance, and why this red interior might be the best place to spend your commute. Let's get into it. Let's talk about that face. Lexus has evolved the Spindle grille into something more integrated. It's not just a big hole anymore, it's a 3D masterpiece. Notice the illuminated Lexus logo? That's the new signature for their electrified era. Moving to the side, the 2027 model looks more planted than before. It's got a wider stance, sharper creases, and those massive wheels that fill the arches perfectly. It's aggressive without being shouty like some of its competitors. Inside, Lexus has perfected the Tazuna cockpit. In Japanese, that means the reins of a horse. Everything is angled toward me. The 14-inch interface system is blazing fast. No lag, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. And look at the head-up display. It's huge. You can control almost everything from the steering wheel touch sensors without taking your eyes off the road. This isn't just luxury, it's smart engineering. Now check this out. Usually, compact SUVs forget about the people in the back, not Lexus. This looks like it was inspired by the LS limousine. Quilted red leather, dedicated tablets for the kids or your demanding friends, and those reclining seats with footrests? Come on! If you're being chauffeured or just have a family that appreciates the finer things, this is the gold standard for the class. You even get a Starlight panoramic roof. It's like a Rolls-Royce, but for a fraction of the price. Under the hood, Lexus gives you 3 distinct flavors. The 350, your reliable 2.4 turbo. It's the enthusiast's choice. The 350h, the smart choice. 40 mpg in a luxury SUV? Yes, please. The 450h Plus. This is the one I'd buy. It's a plug-in hybrid. You can drive about 40 miles on pure electricity, basically your entire commute. But when you floor it, 300 plus horsepower kicks in and this thing moves. Pricing starts at $46,500 for the NX 250, but you want at least the 350h, which starts around $49,000. The top-tier 450h Plus luxury will hit the $65,000 mark. Compared to the BMW X3, the Lexus is way more comfortable and has much higher resale value.
Compared to the Mercedes GLC, the Lexus feels more built to last. The Audi Q5? It just feels a bit plain next to this interior. So the verdict? The 2027 Lexus NX is the most complete package in its class. It's got the tech, it's got the looks, and it's got that legendary reliability. It's not just a car, it's a sanctuary on wheels. If you want to stand out from the sea of German SUVs, this is your winner. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and tell me in the comments, would you take this over a BMW X3? I'll see you in the next one.